Morning everyone. We're going to do a quick little cook with me this morning. I'm getting dinner in the crock pot. I love using my crock pot slow cooker. I love getting things ready in the morning and having dinner ready later, and I can just kind of relax and take care of the things I need to, especially on the weekends. So on Pinterest, this is often called comforting chicken noodle soup. I'll put the recipe down below, or you can usually find it on Pinterest. We are going to use a couple chicken breasts, not the whole bag, 2 cans cream of chicken soup, 2 cans of chicken broth, whatever your preference is. I like the low sodium and the low cholesterol, and a stick of margarine or butter. Also a 24-ounce package of home-style egg noodles. You find these in the freezer section by the ravioli tortellini. I haven't been able to find them at every store. I find these at Walmart. I've got my slow cooker, but here's my secret weapon, slow cooker liners. If you are not using liners in your slow cooker, you are missing out. These help so much maintain the cleanliness, and also, oh my gosh, it's so much easier to clean your crock pot because you pull the food out when you're all done, put whatever you need to in the fridge as leftovers, and then you just take the bag, pull it out, and throw it in the garbage. It makes it so much easier. Sometimes you still have to kind of wipe the crock pot out. They're not very thick liners, but I love these, especially making something like this, which is kind of thick and creamy. Oh my gosh, it's a disaster if you don't put a liner in. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how I put everything together. Okay, so I've got my liner in. I use 3 large frozen chicken breasts. Then I'm going to add the cream of chicken soup and the chicken broth. This cooks on low for 6 hours. After 6 hours, pull out your chicken breasts, shred them, add them back in along with the frozen egg noodles. This cooks for another 2 hours on low. I stir it about every half hour just to make sure the noodles aren't sticking together. Also, I'm pretty sure I was supposed to cut the margarine into little squares, but I forgot, and it turned out fine, so it's no big deal. Enjoy your Sunday dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. I also feel like I should mention that this recipe can be found anywhere. This is not my recipe. I didn't make it up. It's all over Pinterest, and it's called Comforting Chicken Noodle Soup or Slow Cooker Comforting Soup. So it's not my recipe. I don't take any claim to it, but we like it.